freedom. Hey. All right, a decent turnout so far. Woo. Oh, more coming, more coming. Hey, Daisy here. I am live in Cambridge. We're just mustering. We were supposed to be meeting in a park just over here, Riverside Park. But the powers that be heard there was a freedom barbecue, and they didn't like that, so they revoked the permit. We're going to muster here, convoy around, and go to an undisclosed location. Csaba is already there. Csaba's already there. Lots more to come.
Yes.
Oh man, we're getting a solid group here. Look at this. Good morning, everyone. What's going on? Sorry about that. The signal is strong here, but for some reason my live's jumping in and out. Oh, look who it is!
Ottawa.
All the way from Ottawa. Good to see you, man. Hey, how are you? Good to see you.